So you have the skills, you know the passing techniques, you have the vision. But when you try to pull this off in your game, they just don't work against your opponents. Why? That's because you're missing the key secret ingredient. Stick around and let's find out what football's secret sauce is and why you absolutely need it to level up your game. Welcome to Club Alcantara. Today we're diving into football's secret ingredient, creativity. What is it? Why do you need to work on it? And how will it drastically level up your game if you know how to use it at the right moment? You see, creativity isn't just dribbling backward or inventing the world's slowest nutmeg. It's about spotting the impossible pass, improvising when the pitch turns into a water park, and having your opponents questioning reality. Creativity is thinking outside the box and bringing into reality your imagination. A predictable player is everyone's favorite piece of cake. If you're predictable, no matter how hard you try, you just won't pull off what you want to because your opponents can see it coming from 7 miles away. But creativity keeps your opponent guessing. When you do quick feints out of nowhere, when you spot defense splitting passes, fake touches, impossible nutmegs, when you invent new moves or new combinations of already existing moves, you're not just playing, you're causing stress and chaos for your opponent. Your creativity can help you solve puzzles in moments of high pressure. It helps boost your confidence to a different level and makes you stand out as a player different from the rest. Remember Ronaldinho's triple sombrero? The crowd went from zero to nuclear in seconds. When you pull off something unexpected, your supporters, even your opponents, start cheering you on. And trust me, nothing beats the feeling of hearing your name echo around the pitch. Creativity isn't all about flashiness though. You don't have to do fancy moves to be creative. Even the simplest of moves, be it dribbling, passing, or defending, if done creatively, will keep your mind sharp and have everyone smiling. Look, if the pros aren't afraid to get creative on the big stage, neither should you. Work on your creativity because that's the greatest weapon you have as a footballer. Master it, make it your second nature, use it, improve it, and it will take you to heights you would not have imagined. If you enjoyed this creative crash course, hit that like button like it's a last-minute winner. Subscribe for more baller tips and drop a comment below with your creativity level on a scale of 1 to 10. Thanks for watching. Now that you know what football's secret sauce is, go out there, confuse some defenders, and be the artist that your local pitch deserves. Catch you in the next video and peace out.